Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Sonic the Werehog. Just his face. I think he's got like a cool looking face. So very monstrous, and that's it. So let's get going. All right. Um, you can use anything you like as far as tools go. Let's get started. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna throw out his nose. His nose is gonna be very simply shaped, kind of something like that. It looks like a cork or something. Circle here at the end. Then I'm going to fill this part in here. Pulling in for that snout. Pull up. Gonna go over here as well. Pull up here. And he's gonna have his mouth open, right? Because he's gonna have like that werewolf thing going on. I'm gonna throw some fangs here. A few fangs here. Open up his mouth. Curve underneath. Underneath here. Curve underneath this. There you go. You have that open kind of mouth shape there. You can pull a line here for the inside of the tongue. So that's kind of, you have that kind of like, werewolf mouth. It looks like Sonic's mouth, obviously, but it's like opened up and he has like sharp teeth. So I'm going to go over here, pull up for the eye. You can pull it out like that. And maybe down here, I'm going to go curve down. Pulling up here. Curve for, like, again, the pupil and iris there. So a line for the highlight here. So a dot for the center of the eye there, the iris. And you can kind of fill this part in as well. Up over here. Up here. Up here, in. Right there for the far side ear. It's going to pull back. And I'm going to go over here at this point, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull that, spiked hair right there. One more. Pull it back in here because we're just doing the head right now. And a line over here, that far side. Down. Curve underneath. Go up here. Line around the corner. And I'm going to create a thicker line around just the outside there, like around the outside border. So like right here, over here, down. I'm gonna go over here on this side, just again, just kind of making a thicker line all over. That one ran off the page a little bit. Making a thicker line so that it kind of contains the shapes more. Line over here. And that's pretty much it. That is Sonic the Werehog. You can also throw a little bit more shadow at the bottom to make him look a little bit more ominous. You know, you can throw these like lines here to make him look a little furrier because he is, you know, like a werewolf. He's like a werehog. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think in the comments, by the way, as well. A big part of this is to subscribe and share the video because, you know, the channel's a seasonal channel, and for us to survive through the year, you know, we would love help if you do, you know, if you like the channel. Thank you so much, and that's it. Stick around for the announcement. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later.